We license the ERIC database on the EBSCO platform, and if you've seen one of these EBSCO databases, you've definitely seen them all. Same interface across several subject databases, only different content, though sometimes that overlaps too. This is a great resource for education-related research, and it can be cross-searched if you click Choose Databases here, with other useful sources on the same platform, including Academic Search Premier, APA PsycINFO, and CINAHL. Access ERIC from the Database tab or Education Guide on the UNB Libraries site, or from the guide in your Desire to Learn course. You can simply keyword search, or you can get sophisticated, searching by fields like the descriptors, which are drawn from a controlled vocabulary. You can string terms together to be treated as synonyms using or statements and then wrapping them in brackets. You can use the wildcard asterisk to search for occurrences of word stems, and you can use quotes to force a phrase search. In the description below, I have included a link to a brief document that goes over related search strategies in some detail, and it's well worth the read. So using the sample search that we have here, with each result, you'll either see a direct link to full text or a check for full text icon, which is itself a link, through which you'll be able to retrieve the text or else order it by document delivery. So if I click the check for full text here, it's indicating in this case that we do have the full text. If it didn't, there would be a link inviting you to request a copy. In any case, just follow the trail, or else contact me if you hit a dead end, or worse, some sort of infinite loop. It happens. I have also included a link to a brief video about document delivery services at UNB Libraries in the description below. As you're combing through search results, pay attention to vocabulary used and listed under subjects, especially where it deviates from your own, since you might want to leverage it in subsequent searches. So for example, I could add here, web-based instruction, and then following the logic of how I formed search lines elsewhere here, I would wrap this in brackets. I could also use quotes to force phrases. But in any case, we had 413 results. We have added web-based instruction as an equivalent to online learning, and it adds a few extra results. But this is a way that you can expand your search results, but you could also take away terms or substitute them to try and whittle them down to something that's a bit more focused. ERIC and other of the databases that we subscribe to at UNB Libraries are quite powerful in allowing you to search in sophisticated ways. However, one significant drawback is that a lot of material that's published open access or else published internationally is not well represented in these traditional long-standing databases. And so to uncover that sort of material, your best option is to explore Google Scholar, which, as a relative upstart and certainly a power player in the world of search, is much more diligent and permissive in capturing a lot of that material, which is often available through institutional repositories around the world, which they scour. And so you can explore Google Scholar in a couple of other web tutorials in this series.